Hello everyone. What we have brought to you today is Hisense Interactive Digital Board, HIDB. It adopts a brand new appearance design. The appearance adopts high-grade aviation aluminum profile. The black frame is calm and atmospheric, which integrates beauty and durability. Next, I will lead you to experience. First, we need to toggle the switch button on the left rear of the HIDB. If the HIDB is in the power on standby state, press the Home button in the middle to turn on the HIDB. Long press to shut down. Single-click to call up the soft control menu. Double-click to lock the screen. And double-click to unlock the screen. The soft control menu will also pop up by using 5 fingers to click the screen at the same time. In the menu, you can find common apps such as Calculator, Timer, and Vote. For the data transmission conveniently, the HIDB provides you 1 USB 3.0 and 2 USB 2.0 ports. In addition, there are HDMI, touch, and other ports. We choose beautiful dynamic wallpaper for the home page. Click on the theme in the application to provide you with static, dynamic, and customize wallpaper choices. The Whiteboard signature source, remote meeting, and apps are on the left side of the HIDB. In addition, a super taskbar at the bottom of the screen can be called out by sliding from the bottom. It automatically hides without operation for 15 seconds. The functions include erase meeting traces, the APPs which you can find in it, File Manager, Settings, Hisense Share, and so on. Homepage, Task View, Screenshots. Screenshots can be imported to Whiteboard at any time. Settings, Network, and QR code scanning and transmission. Time, Calendar. Firstly, let's go to the Whiteboard writing function together. You can use the writing pen or finger to write. We have reserved 3 common colors for you in the menu bar at the bottom of the screen. If you need to change other colors, you can select different colors by clicking the pen button and add unlimited color palettes for you to choose from. The multi-person writing function. Support 20 people writing at the same time. The handwriting has its own brush effect, also can, according to our actual use habits, close the stroke. And writing is very smooth. Restore the real handwriting. 40 ms writing response speed, 2 mm fineness. Here also provides 4 erasing methods: erasing while writing, circle erasing, selecting and deleting, and delete all. Intelligent drawing recognition technology, which recognizes squares, circles, triangles, arrows, line segments, etc. With one stroke, intelligent recognition and clear classification of all kinds of graphic collocation. In addition, a table can be drawn online, and the table can adapt to the size according to the writing content. The roaming function is also provided, which can zoom in and out the writing content, and also drag it up and down, left and right, to expand the writing range indefinitely. In addition, it can also roam locally. Sometimes we need to make changes to the local. We can directly select the corresponding content to drag, zoom in and out, rotate, and easily highlight the key content. A new whiteboard page can also be added to distinguish different meeting contents, and other contents can be retrieved by turning pages and directories. After the meeting, the whiteboard application will automatically generate documents in two formats according to today's date. One is a PDF file, and the other is a source file format that can be edited again. 3 sharing methods are provided: USB disk sharing, email sharing, and QR code sharing. After inserting the USB flash disk, copy and paste the local file into it. Click on the Mail to Share, fill in the sender and recipient information, and then send it at one click. Open your mobile phone and scan it to share the meeting minutes. If customers are worried about the disclosure of meeting information, they can also scan the code and transmit it via LAN, which is safer. During the meeting, we will compare different schemes. We can open 2 PPT or Excel videos at the same time. Switch and zoom them. Feature, we can also turn pages and annotate the displayed contents. At the same time, the left side can swipe on the left to open the whiteboard with to brainstorm. For the first time, the computer uses the scan transmission. The dongle needs to be connected to the USB port of the HIDB, which has connected to the internet for pairing. When the pairing is prompted to be successful, insert the dongle to your computer. The driver will install automatically, and the screencast can be carried out according to the computer prompt operation by pressing one button. At the same time, reverse control page turning or annotation can be carried out. Android mobile phone screencast. Open the super taskbar to find the QR code in the wireless network function and scan the QR code with the mobile phone to automatically match the hotspot, then scan and code screen transmission. Apple's mobile phone is directly connected to hotspot and directly transmitted to the screen through Apple's mirror function. Open the Hisense Screen Share app and click on the reverse screen to operate the HIDB. At the same time, you can directly annotate the contents of the meeting tablet through your mobile phone. When multiple devices are casted to the HIDB will automatically switch to a quad split screen, allowing different schemes to be displayed and compared at the same time, as well as changing to full screen mode by choosing one. The above are common functions of local conference. In addition, we also provide you with a remote video conference solution. When entering the conference, the work bar is at the bottom and easy to operate. During the meeting, we have a variety of sharing methods. We can share not only desktop, but also collaborative whiteboard and files in the HIDB. Hisense provide a variety models for your different needs so that you can obtain a more extreme business experience.